got a fire in my belly, gotta drop the real proof. Not a count is the division, the city versus city. Talking about our people, ain't no time for pity. From under these streets to the streets of La Sinai. Got my brother on my left, we ain't bowing down to no God, except the one above, we're all one family, no cap. This ain't just a song, it's a map to get us on the map. We're breaking down the walls, yeah, we're standing tall. From the ashes of the past, we're answering the call. No more blame, no more shame, we're all one name. Fired up, focused, we're about to change the game. You can't box us in, can't define us by a clan. We're building something new, got a whole master plan. Yeah, they tried to divide us, but our spirit's too strong. The rhythm of our hearts where we truly belong. We're not defined by borders, by a single-minded thought. We're the soul of the nation, a lesson hard fought. So let the beat drop, let the bass line hit the floor. We walking together and we're ready for more. Whispers in the dark, echoes of the past, holding on to lines that were never meant to last. But I hear a new song, a melody of grace, calling out for us to find our rightful place. We can't be strangers in a land we call our own. Seeds of doubt we've planted, now it's time we've grown. 'Cause we're stronger together, oh, with every single beat. From the south to the north, we can stand on our own feet. Let the past fade away like the last rays of the sun. A new horizon's calling, and the future has begun. They say we're broken, but they just don't understand the power of a people holding hand in hand, to strengthen our voices when we sing as one. Our legacy is rising, a new chapter has begun. 'Cause we're stronger together, oh, with every single beat. From the south to the north, we can stand on our own feet. Let the past fade away like the last rays of the sun. A new horizon's calling, and the future has begun.